Do you think that the entire country, if I were to believe what you're saying, because that is a justification that the BJP is giving.
In the time of this monumental disaster, are we going to justify this by something that the BJP considers wrong, that means? Or are they saying that because the Mahavikas Aghadi government has come up with this tender, they are also going to do the same thing? Well, the tender has been floated now. The work will begin later. If the pandemic continues, we will all support you and we will stand with you, and we will not expect the government to be building the MLA hostel if money is required for the people. It is the money of the people. But at this time, the Central Vista project is like a monumental memorial to the people who are dying of lack of oxygen and facilities. Every bit of money at this time needs to be focused there. And what is the priority of this government? We are talking about lockdowns, and is protocol going to be followed, as far as the people concerned, people working there are concerned? Are they not people? Are they not human beings of this country? Are they not people whose lives matter, or do poor lives not matter? When we say that this is megalomania at its best, it is because when the focus should be on saving lives of people, and 20,000 crore rupees can go into vaccinating the entire country free, because we are a country of massive proportions, and you know that when the third wave comes, it will be the children also who will be facing this pandemic, and we will need to increase our infrastructure at that particular point. So aren't we going to prepare for that?
Well, Dr. Patra,
exactly. Why be hypocritical at all? I am not saying that you should not ask questions, and nobody is saying that you should not question. If there is something wrong, we will question it. I said it in the beginning also. But justifying something that the government thinks is wrong by doing something which should not be the priority at this time. And Shehzad is talking about private property and public property. तो एक बात बता दूं कि ये public property है, उन लोगों को जिनको ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल रहा है, ये उनके पैसे हैं. जो गरीब आदमी है, ये उनके पैसे हैं. हम टैक्स देते हैं, उनकी तरफ से देते हैं. हर जगह पे देते हैं, हर जगह पे देते हैं.
नहीं, सुजाता जी और राहुल गांधी मिलकर वहां पे एमएलए हॉस्टल बना रहे 900 करोड़ का, वो भी हमारा ही पैसा है, वो जनता का ही पैसा है. भंडारा में छोटे बच्चे मर जाते हैं अस्पताल में, वहां पर सरकारी अस्पतालों में आग लगती है, उसके लिए पैसा खर्च करिए ना.
मुझे याद है जब प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा था,
आप ना तो महाराष्ट्र से, आप ना शैलेश पांडे, ना आप लोगों को महाराष्ट्र की सिचुएशन मालूम है. आप महाराष्ट्र पर इतना बोल रहे हैं. मैडम ये बता दीजिए कि महाराष्ट्र के,
तो पूछिए, मैंने कहीं पे बोला आपको कि बद्रीनाथ जो स्पिरिचुअल सिटी है उसको होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए? हर
ये देखिए, ये सवाल केवल हिंदू स्ट्रक्चर्स पर.
Ishkaran Bhandari, they